Yuen method strengthening to integrate the Chariot Arcana's energies. This is the 7th tarot card. The Chariot symbolizes progress, victory, control, and balance of opposing forces. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before moving to the next arcana. Will strengthen your midline, realigning it with your feet and legs both ways. Strong to guide you forward with confidence, joy, and security. Will boost feelings of strength, progress, and conviction in your heart. I connect you to energies of past moments of progress, achievement, and success. I strengthen your energy to move forward with confidence, firmness, and focus. I'll neutralize any energy holding you back or creating obstacles in your path. Whether sent to you or brought by yourself, I'll send it across universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, energy, black holes, and beyond. I'll strengthen your connection to the drive that propels you towards your goals. Feel the power of each step bringing you closer to your aspirations. Release, forgive, and let go of the fear holding you back from moving forward. We'll erase doubts, boosting your mind and body to connect with unstoppable momentum. Gain strength to find balance and stability between opposing forces. Will enhance your ability to balance challenges, opportunities, light and shadow. Will clear negative energy blocking you, balancing action and wisdom. Strong enough to maintain and extend this balance. Strong to be stronger, more flexible, with better coordination, agility, speed, and endurance. The car symbolizes control over the reins of your life. We empower you to take control of your destiny. We eliminate any victim mentality or feelings of helplessness from within or outside you. Strong enough to assume and maintain the role of driver in your life. Strong to feel the power to steer your path wherever you desire. Let's clear away mental clutter and emotional disorder. We remove what hinders, limits, delays, or blocks your clear and effective decisions. Strong to control your reactions without rigidity and with full self-confidence. We amplify and strengthen emotions and reactions of enthusiasm, joy, and happiness. We'll infuse all your goals with positive energy. Strong to advance like a car with force, determination, and no doubt. Let's neutralize indecision, fear of failure, and procrastination. We erase all that to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, finitely. Strong to allow yourself to feel the joy of knowing you can reach your goals. Strong with every thought, every decision, and every action. Strong to move closer to your dreams with joy and satisfaction. Strong to eliminate fear, pain, and injustice to 0, 100% of the time. Strong to embrace the energy of life. strong enough to connect with your victories, your ancestors' wins, and collective success. Powerful to overcome obstacles easily, smartly, and profitably. Resilient to see obstacles as part of the journey and a chance to gain wisdom. I boost your ability to face any challenge with confidence and joy. I strengthen you against conflict, problems, or failures. We remove fear and increase neutrality. I link you to the energy of resilience and power of transformation. Strong with each hurdle, turning it into a chance to grow and advance. With greater strength, determination, and focus. Powerful to move forward effortlessly with ease and grace. The Chariot is a symbol of progress, victory, and success. Will boost your energy to connect with feelings that lead to triumph. Let's eliminate any false beliefs that you're not good enough or don't deserve success. I'll boost your self-esteem and confidence so you see that success is yours, already on your path and inherent to you. Strong enough to feel the joy, excitement, and determination to achieve your goals. Strong to see your efforts rewarded and celebrate each step with gratitude and happiness. We're strengthening your ability to move towards your life's purpose. The Chariot reminds us to have a clear destination and focus objectively on it. Strong to clear any confusion about your personal mission and align your energy with your true desires and needs. Strong with each step, taking it full of purpose, passion, and enthusiasm for what's to come. Strong to feel the joy of being on the right path, moving forward with clarity towards a fulfilling destination. We embrace the joy of constant growth, life, and wisdom. Strength to enjoy the journey forward. Power to live in the present moment. Let's shed fear of change and the unknown, embracing transformation. Strength to feel joy in constant growth and new experiences. Connecting you with success energy, boosting confidence to shine. Erasing self-sabotage and fears of success alienating others. Empowering you to claim success with joy and gratitude. Strength to savor the satisfaction of achieving your goals, and strong enough to let that success energy propel you to new heights. I connect your central nervous system with progress, control, success, balance, and wisdom. Strong enough to integrate these energies into your body, mind, and spirit. Strong to flow continuously in your life, removing all remaining blocks and boosting your energy. I strengthen all internal and external dynamics and boundaries to 100% infinite potential, always. I erase all weaknesses to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?